Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you 2 ways to share Instagram Reels to Snapchat story. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So now, if you wanted to have your Instagram Reel or someone else's Instagram Reel into your Snapchat story, share it with your somebody on Snapchat. I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's hop into your Instagram here, and the very first option is let's tap on Reels at the bottom corner. Now, for instance, say this is the reel you want to share on Snapchat in a story. So what we can do is tap the 3 dot at the bottom right here, and we can hit share on the left. Now if I scroll over and tap on Snapchat here, you will see that I will directly share this Snapchat or this Instagram reel into Snapchat, but it will not appear as a normal Snapchat story. So to do that, let's hop out of here. Let's hit the X. What we are going to do is hit the little airplane, and we are going to add reel to the story. So this is the best option in terms of being able to share it on Snapchat, because what we will do is we can just expand this and have it say in the corner, and then we will hit the 3 dot at the top right, and then we will hit that save button. So by saving, it will save it to your camera roll gallery, and then you will be able to upload it onto Instagram as a story. Now the other option is let's go back at here and hit discard back and hit the profile at the bottom right, and then I'm going to tap on my reel here and the 3 dots at the top right. From here I will hit that share, and again I can share it to Snapchat, or if I wanted to, I can tap those 3 dots and hit save to your device. That will allow me to upload it directly to Snapchat as a story. Keep in mind, there is not really a way to automatically get that reel over to Snapchat. So the best option is to kind of save it to your device and then upload it directly in Snapchat as a story. So by these 2 ways, you can share Instagram Reels to Snapchat story. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.